Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you. And first of all, thanks to my parents who brought me to the Amway business. Thank you, Daiwadarai, Dr. Azmi, and Dr. Siti. Thank you very much. And as I mentioned in the video, it's all about choice. I know that I have to make the right choice. It's my future, and it's my life. And I choose Amway simply because I understand that this is not just selling soap, this is not just making money, but it's about dream. Amway is the vehicle. Amway set platform for me to be successful and achieve my dream. Amway is the dream driver. In Amway, I can design my future, and in the next 5 to 10 years, I can have the kind of lifestyle that I want. Thanks to Amway. I really love playing football. Through this business, I have more friends and time, and we really love playing football together. And I'm inspired by Nutrilite brand ambassador, the Nutrilite team, and of course, living a healthy lifestyle with the help of Nutrilite. And this Amway business is really fantastic because I can start young, succeed young, and I can build my own career and build my future at the same time. Okay, so you can do the same. Amway is the ultimate platform. Thank you. Why not now? Why not today? Thank you. See you on top. Thank you.